Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian grey. Starting our journey from the front, where we will see the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, the sporty and luxurious dynamics continued as it sits on these 20-inch alloys. Venturing round to the rear, you'll notice the rear privacy glass, which will ensure all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space. Looking to our left, you'll also see your easy-to-access controls to your electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure will intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the quality and comfort of their ebony grey leather seats. And as we venture into the cockpit, you'll also see your 12-way driver memory and 10-way passenger heated electric front seats, which will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey. As we now take a closer look at your heated leather multifunctional steering wheel, which has a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll also see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your sat-nav, your speedometer and your trip computer. As we now venture over to the real centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your PV Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is also fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid as well as your parking camera. You'll also be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar from within your entertainment screen and without the need to exit your vehicle. You'll also be able to access climate control systems from within your entertainment screen, as well as easy to access dials below, where you'll also be able to control your heated seats, which both driver and passengers can tailor to their own individual preferences, as well as further driving dynamics and terrain response systems. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.